Repairing the Singer 301 and 301A. All repairs begin with the standard tune-up procedures. Standard procedures. First steps: external inspection, hand wheel test, and initial sewing test. The external inspection. Using your right hand, rotate the hand wheel toward you. Feel the action of the machine. Is it sluggish or is it smooth? Observe the needle movement. Check the feed movement. Remove the top cover, the bottom cover, the needle bar area cover, and any other covers that may be on your specific machine. Inspect inside underneath the covers for any kinds of problems, sticky lubricants, anything that might be a problem. Rotate the hand wheel to check for easing and motion of the various parts. It must be properly set in order for the needle to work properly. The needle bar height must match the hook needle timing. The hook needle timing. Notice here the needle has to have the point of the hook slide behind its scarf just above the needle eye in order to pick up the lower thread. Here's an open look at the bottom of your carrier. The gears are on the right hand side here, so that you can see the gear on the left top and meshes into the gear on the right. Here we see how to move the bobbin winder in position. As the hand wheel turns, it will turn the winder.